Every month, thousands of businesses receive one fuel invoice, but that invoice tells only one story: how much you spent. It never tells you why. Hundreds of hidden costs. Every liter has a story. 1 liter lost while idling, another through poor routing, another because of aggressive driving, another because maintenance was another through fuel theft. Do you know the answers? Or are you only seeing numbers? Now you're no longer looking at fuel data. You're seeing the complete fuel story. At VZone, we don't simply monitor vehicles. We help businesses understand where fuel goes, why costs increase, and exactly what to do next.
Discover your fleet's full fuel story. Discover your fuel story. Book your free AI Fleet Fuel Audit today.